Hello, um, this is a video that, and I am Kim from KimSonCraft. I made this video for my customer to see his order. This survey do riding only, and the white side is 27 millimeter, and the length side is 80, and the thickness is about 2.1 millimeter. All of them is same size. You see here, it is same size. I show you the surface first, then I will measure one by one. The tolerance for this kind of product is about 0.1 millimeter only. I made this video little dark color, dark line, because it will be better for you to check my model of her color. After showing to you this model of blank, I show you the model of dot from black and white color. Customer only order for riding surface only, but I am stocking with the high cloth polishing on two sides. You see? The black color is only available for one side. Another side is white. This kind of item already polished two sides, or you choose color to surface. And this is black color. This is white color. You see? This is black color. Let me show you more items one time. This is already. This side is already polished, and this side also polished at high gloss. Now I measure it. So thank you for your 5 minutes. I think this video will bring to you more information about my product. Now I will make the video brightness more bright, and you will see the color is very difficult to see. Yeah, it is very difficult to see the very nice color. This is black color. This seashell is genus model of I don't do fake seashell here. Okay, 100% warranty about the material. Okay, see you later and have a nice day. Thank you to view my video. If you like it, please press thumb up and subscribe my channel to update my new product. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.